Hey guys, my name is Lakia Maria and welcome to another video here on the channel. Whether you're new to the channel or an OG, I primarily share planning and organizational videos plus crafting, and welcome to another edition of my Planning for 2023 series. If you are unfamiliar with my planning series, I share with you guys my planner journey in choosing the planner that I'm going to be using for the upcoming year, as well as tips and tricks. If you would like to see more, I will have more details and related videos in the description box, plus products featured. In this video, I'm going to be giving you guys a review of a planner cover by the brand Moterm. So I have heard of a lot of different planner covers. There are shops that you can look on Instagram by simply searching planner community, or on videos here on YouTube of different planner covers that are out there. If you search in the size of your planner on Amazon, you'll more than likely find one. I know Gillio is a popular one, and I decided to get a Moterm cover. The cover that I went with is the Moterm leather cover for A5 notebooks. It fits the Hobonichi Cousin, the Stalogy, the Midori. It also has a pin loop, card slots, and a black pocket. The colors it comes in is pebbled black, pebbled burnt orange, there's pebbled chocolate, pebbled cream, pebbled light blue, pebbled taupe, and I believe the one that I have, I don't even know if the one I have is even in stock still, but it is $59, but it's something that you'll be able to reuse for years to come. So the Moterm, the cool thing about it, I was very surprised when I got it. It comes with a box and a dust bag. Okay, that is planner luxury. Okay, I felt like so bougie opening it when I got it from Amazon. I was like, okay, thank you. And here is the cover. So I have like this burgundy color, and you can see that pebbled finish. This thing is beautiful. So it has two snaps here, so of course I could put it here or I could put it here. It all depends on what's on the inside and how much I need to expand. When you open it up, you have these two pockets, which is where you would put the covers to your notebook. And then you have two more pockets here. There's card slots here, another pocket here, a secretarial pocket here, a pin loop, and my favorite feature of all, look at this pocket at the top. Now, what I love most about this is that I could go and put stickers inside of it. Where's my stack of stickers? So I can give you an example. So I could literally just take my stickers, put some here, put some here, and boom. Okay, I'll be able to carry my stickers on the go. They also have these bookmarks. I'm not a huge fan of them in having used them so far, but I'm not going to cut them out. They'll just be there. I won't cut them out. I won't cut them out. I won't cut them out. This is what I'm telling myself. But I really, really like this. This quality is amazing. I feel like it was worth the $60 because it's something that I am going to reuse. Well, at least be able to reuse, which I really like about it. As for the notebook that I'm putting inside, it does fit the Hobonichi Cousin. So I'll just show you that. You take it and you put it in on that side, and then the other part of the cover goes there. So it does fit the Hobonichi Cousin. And the planner that I am currently using is the Stalogy, an A5 Stalogy, which I am using as a bullet journal. And I do have the plastic cover that you can also purchase. It's like $10. I know it's under 20. I know the one for the weeks is $10, but. And this also comes with a pin loop. I'm not using the pin loop on the plastic cover, but as you can see, you just take it and slide and slide and slide, and voila. it fits the cover perfectly, and then I just snap it closed. And I would love to hear from you guys. What do you think about the Moterm cover? Have you used one? Do you use a planner cover for your bullet journal system if you have one? Would love to hear more from you guys in the comments. Be sure to check out all the links in the description box for related videos, links to products featured, and of course would love to have you stick around, hit that like and subscribe button. And as always, I thank you. I love you guys. Stay safe, happy holidays, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.